Running an online store isn't just about setting up a website and waiting for sales. Many businesses make costly mistakes that hurt growth. In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 e-commerce mistakes businesses make, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. Mistake number 1. Ignoring mobile optimization. Today, more than half of all e-commerce traffic comes from mobile. If your site isn't fast, responsive, and easy to use on smartphones, you're losing sales. Mistake number 2. Complicated checkout. Long forms, forced signups, and hidden costs are the fastest way to kill conversions. Nearly 70% of shoppers abandon carts because of poor checkout experiences. Mistake number 3. Poor product descriptions and images. Your customers can't touch or feel products online, so your content must do the heavy lifting. Clear descriptions, professional photos, and even product videos make a huge difference. Mistake number 4. Not investing in SEO and marketing. Simply launching an e-commerce store doesn't guarantee visitors. You need a strategy. SEO, content marketing, paid ads, and email campaigns to drive consistent traffic and sales. Mistake number 5. Neglecting site speed. Slow websites kill conversions. Customers expect instant experiences, and even a 1-second delay can cost you sales. So, let's recap. Avoid these 5 e-commerce mistakes: ignoring mobile users, complicated checkout, poor product pages, weak marketing, and slow performance, and you'll be miles ahead of your competition. Need expert help building or optimizing your online store? At Ceymox, we specialize in creating powerful e-commerce experiences with platforms like Magento. Get in touch today.